everyone, it's Mandy. Welcome to the replay for joining afterwards. Hey, tonight we're actually going to do our Club Couture of the month, February, at home. It's so cute, guys. You're probably going to see me use it a bunch this month because I want to show you how versatile these little transfers are. And as I'm going along, I'm just going to talk to you about the stuff that's going on this month. We had a new launch catalog. We have a new catalog with new products. Club Couture, we have discounts for Club Couture members. There's a bunch. So we're just going to get started because I have dinner in the oven and it is hat and yoga day. So yoga pants day. Hey, thanks for joining. So don't mind the attire. We're just going to be doing our craft. And, if we're going along, you have questions. Hey, Pat. And you have questions, feel free to ask and I'll get to them. If I don't, while we're on the live, I will certainly get to them afterwards. So let's get started. Let me get my group so I can see the questions there. So, okay, I'm going to take you down and we'll get started. This is our board. And guys, this comes with our starter kit. And we just got a new starter kit. And our starter kit is for people that would like to run a business like I am, or would like to be a hobbyist. So you get 40% off your products, and your kit is awesome. Hello, Teresa. Thanks for joining. Your kit's awesome. It is, you get like $250 worth of product for $100, $99. And you get the Club Couture, which is this is this month's Club Couture. It's an exclusive. Hold on. I'm talking and not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. You need to, before you put these down, you need to fuzz them so they're not so sticky. This one's pretty sticky. It just helps you get it up without stretching your transfer, because these are kind of like a fabric, and so it just kind of helps you get it up without messing up your transfer, because you can reuse these over and over again, up to a dozen times, but most designers get more than that out of them. So we are going to put this on here, and guys, I'm just going to use white for the home, and then this teal for the wreath. And like I said, throughout the month, I'll be going through and reusing this whole transfer just to kind of show you how versatile our transfers are. How would you guys use them? Would you guys, do you like it? Would it be something that you would actually use in your home to create and decorate with? I like that it's an everyday decoration. I like to buy things that can fit in my decor, most of the year. So I really like this month's transfer. This is our chalk paste, and it's removable. So these are our chalkboards, and I can put this paste on here. It's going to go on wet, and it's going to dry hard. And then it stays on there for as long as you want. I actually had a Christmas theme on here before I came on. And I just washed it off with some water, and I'm gonna put a new design on, which I love. The fact that you don't have to, have a bunch of pictures in your closet that you're not using. So just take your squeegee, just go over the design part, where you want the color of your choice. Let me put that back in there. And then you're going to go back through and just take up the excess, because it really takes very little to actually do the project. And it's so simple and easy that we're going to have this done before my dinner's ready. It's actually in the oven right now. And so if you are a Club Couture member, you should be receiving this within the next couple of days. You'll get some paste packets with it that you can use on any surface that you like. This month you also get 20% off of our jars of paste. So all our jars of paste are 20% off for our club members only. You can become a club member at any time. It's $19.99 a month, and you get the transfer and some paste packets that you can do it on your own surface. When you first sign up for a Club Couture, you can, there's also a starter kit that comes with surfaces. So it comes with a nice chalkboard like this. And I'm just going to lay that back down. The reason I'm pulling it back up is because if the chalk dries on that, it will bring up my paste. So I'm just going to bring up the areas that I've done because I don't want it to dry out while I'm working on my little reef there. Let me get this going. So these are silkscreen transfers, and that's what gives it the really nice, clean and crisp design. And I'm just going to lay that back down and move it back around. And then I'm just going to make sure that my wreath that I'm going to actually do teal there's no air bubbles in it. Okay, there's one right there. There, I think I got it. So the Club Couture is $19.99 a month, and it comes straight to your doorstep each month. It's kind of like a Happy Mail subscription, and just kind of, I think it just kind of reminds you to take time to have some me time, a little DIY craft. But there's a starter kit that you can buy as well. This is a little dry. You want it to be your yogurt consistency. So I'm just putting some water in there. You know, I think it just kind of helps you remember to just take some time for yourself, or maybe with your kids, and you each do a craft time. I've really enjoyed all the different designs because they are a surprise. We don't even know what they are until basically the first of each month. But I have enjoyed each one of them. This is probably my favorite though, and I hope they come out with more and more like everyday designs. So let's see how this looks on this chalkboard. It might be too teal. It might be too dark to actually see it on the chalkboard. I didn't think about that. But you pull this up, and you're just going to take this, and I'm just going to take it to my sink tonight and wash it. But you could put it in a bowl and you know, wash it up that way. And then once you get the paste off of it, paste off your transfer, you just want to take it and put the sticky side up and let it dry. And then once it's dry, you would put it back on the backer sheet, okay? So I'm just going to lay this over here, and I'll wash it after our live tonight. Let me get this paste off. So what do you guys think? You see the teal yet? Let me get my fingers clean, and I'll bring it up so you guys can actually see it. It's really pretty on the board. I'm not sure if you guys can actually tell in the live. So while that's drying, I'm going to use the top of it to say welcome to our home. Okay. You guys, if you are interested in purchasing the club, just type in club and I'll get you the link. I'm just going to put this right here, and I'm going to do it in white. The other thing is that I'm going to show you a few things that I've liked out of the new catalog that we got. We got a lot of neat designs. We have some new little house cutouts if you're into like your tier tray. Those are new. We have little egg cutouts that are so cute with the design. There's some more beach stuff that I love. Good, Teresa. I'm glad you see it. I'm going to bring this up. See how fast and easy this is? Even if you mess up, you can't mess up. because you just wipe it off and start over again. Okay. So let me show you this. And then I'm going to do I'm going to show you guys how versatile, when this company, what I'm so impressed with this company the most is their quality. But when they created this products, they really think about how we would use them as a designer or to design our homes. And I just got these at Dollar General, and they're just little succulents. And this board is actually magnetic. So I just got some of these magnets at the Dollar Tree store. I'm not going to get them too close to my computer there. But I'm going to just hot glue. I'll make sure this is the right side. I'm just going to hot glue the succulent to this magnet here. And this has a clip on it. I mean, I'm sure I could take that off, but I think it's going to be fine with it. And then I want it to go right there. So now you kind of have like a little 3D effect on it. And if I don't like it, I simply just take it up. It's magnetic. So just keep that in mind when you're decorating with our boards. This is magnetic, and it will tell you on the website which ones are magnetic and which ones aren't. But I think that's just a really cool feature for you know, helping decorate and put a little more character on your boards. So I'm going to put this to the side and let it dry. I'm just going to show you guys some of the cute stuff that's coming out in our catalogs. I'm hoping that you can see it. If not, I have a link. Isn't it cute, Teresa? Okay, let's do this. No, let me see. Pull this back up a little bit more. Okay, I have these. Okay, here's my beach ones that I like. The little octopus. Isn't they cute? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, and I hope you guys, I'll put the link to our new catalog so you guys can go look at it too. But can you see our new house cutouts? Hey Jess. And then they have like they have 4 different patterns on them, which would be really cute for you know, earring making, you know, using even on this little project, you could have used it. This one's so cute for spring. I love that little Easter bunny. And then these are the egg cutouts that have the different patterns on them. And one more, and actually 2 more. I'm a yogi, so you can tell I'm in my yoga pants and my hat today, but they have a little namaste and the little lotus flower. And then I even like these little guys over here, the little asparagus and tomato. I think those are really classy. So those are kind of my favorites. I would love for you guys to look at the catalog and let me know what's your favorites. Jess, I see you commented. I can't see it. Hold on. I think it's just hi. Yeah, just hi. Hello. Again, here's our product. Our project for tonight was with our home. And you can kind of see the teal on there. And I just had this little guide that I put a magnet on. So our boards are magnetic. So really cute and like a 3D effect on it. So anyway, guys, you'll be seeing more of our Chalk Couture transfer this month because I'm absolutely in love with it and thought about 101 ways to use it. So I'll put in the catalog in this link so you guys can see it. And if you want to shop, type in shop. If you're interested in becoming a club member, just type in club and I'll get you a link for that. And a designer. I mean, guys, the designer thing, really, you can't beat it. I mean, it's $99 and you get several surfaces, like 5 different jar paste, and I think like 5 different transfers. I think. So I'm not positive on that. So we'd have to double check that. But the boards alone are worth it. I mean, these are nice quality pieces. They're fun. The company really thinks about, their designs and how they're going to come together and how we can use them in our homes and for resale. So you guys, I really appreciate you coming on with me tonight. I think my dinner's almost ready. So hopefully you enjoyed, and happy chalking. Good night. Bye.